Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how to rename photos on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Like it. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the gallery on your iPhone or iPad. Then open your album. Select a photo. Then in the lower left corner, click Share. Scroll to the bottom. Click Save to Files. This is where we can change the title. Choose here. Delete it. Put any title you want. I've done it like this. Then click Save. Now exit. Go to the file. Find your picture that you just saved. I'm gonna exit. I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna have. I should have a saved picture. So I saved it. And look, here's the title and see you. And in order to put that picture back in the gallery, we click on it. In the bottom corner, we click Share and we click Save Picture. After that, we go to the gallery. And then our picture appears at the bottom here. Now it already has another name that we came up with. This is a simple way to rename photos on iPhone. Subscribe to the channel. Write comments. Like if you like this video. Goodbye.